Alright humans, we are back in adapter land and we are continuing our mission to convert everything we own to USB Type-C. So these are for shavers. These adapters are going to get me from my Philips shavers to USB-C, which I'm super excited about. Alright, so I have a Philips Norelco all-in-one trimmer, which I did a video on, so check that out. And then I have a Philips Norelco shaver, and so I have this one came with the shaver, that type fitting, and then this one came with the trimmer. They don't even give you a block anymore, they just give you USB-A to this fitting, and they are different because they take different voltages. One takes 5 volts and the other one takes 15 volts. So you need to look up the shapes, and you can check out the links below for which voltage you have. This isn't just for Philips Norelco shavers and trimmers. This works for other brands as well. You know, these plugs are specific and they're not reversible because they don't want you to switch the polarity and damage the device. So it's annoying. I have 2 different cables for 2 shavers. So I'm gonna ditch this because
we're going all the way, baby. We're going all the way.
So we're just getting down to USB-C bricks and USB-C cables. Everything, both ends. I'll show you the shavers. Here's the trimmer, right? So you got that. And here's the shaver. You got that. Okay, done. I can put these both in one pouch in my toiletry bag, and instead of the 2 cables taking up
all kinds of space
in the bag,
we're gonna adapt.
As you can see, this one's 5 volts and this one's 15 volts. So I'm going to get these out, we're going to look at the fit, and then we're going to test out the charging. Let's do the 15 volt first. I will link the shavers and the adapters down below. Check out my other video on adapters. I was so stoked to find out that they make these. It's plastic. There you go. So let's check the fit. So on the back of your shavers, or whatever you have, like you can see here, 15 volts. It'll tell you what you need as far as voltage. Boom. Fits nice. 15 volt. Labeled right there. Let's give this a shot here. 20 watt Apple brick, USB-C, USB-C. So I'm plugging this in over here in the power strip. And there you go. Charging. I mean, that's super awesome. Like, I am so ready to ditch these cables. So there you go. This one even will run plugged in.
Boom. Excellent.
5 volt. But this is a different shape, different slotted shape. Like I said, you can look on the back. Here you go. 5 volt.
Let's check the fit. Fits great.
Like, I can hold it upside down. There's like no play. Like, it's nice.
Nice fit.
Here we go. Moment of truth. Boom.
Excellent. That's amazing.
It's worth it. Super good fit. Like, here's this one upside down. Like, they're not coming out. So I'll give you a sneak peek. So this is another perfect case I found for adapters. It's a 3-pack, and I'll put this down below too. But they have removable insides. These slots come out. And you take these out, and you can divide and conquer. So these can go with some other stuff in here in my toiletry bag, and they can stay with the shavers. So check out the cases. It's such a good deal. Like, you get 3 of these. They have a seal. I will link the new version of this shaver, and I'll link all the adapters that I use, and of course these adapters. Super happy that they make these. These are definitely like an awesome addition for switching to USB-C.
Done with this.
So hope that helps.
Like, keep on shaving
And subscribe. See ya.